What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Now, we've all heard that drinking a glass of red wine is good for the heart because it contains antioxidants such as resveratrol, which strengthens blood vessels and prevents blood clots. But did you know red wine is also good for the skin? It's as simple as this. All it takes is Greek yogurt or even plain yogurt and red wine. Just take a tablespoon of your Greek yogurt or plain yogurt and a teaspoon of your red wine. Make sure you do a patch test of this before applying it all over. Now mix it all together and gently apply it to your face. Just massage it in. Now leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Red wine is packed with antioxidants like flavonoid, resveratrol, and tannin, which protects the skin from aging by restoring collagen and elastic fibers. The polyphenols in red wine can help to brighten a dull complexion, and the amino acids in red wine refreshes the skin and give it a healthy glow. Now the yogurt will gently exfoliate and hydrate the skin, while the red wine will fight aging and keep the skin looking young. And there you have it.
Now she wakes with the sunrise glow, knows her worth and lets it show. Coffee cup, a quiet smile.
And here's my skin feeling more youthful and smooth.
I'm a woman in full bloom. Don't need approval or perfume, 'cause confidence is my cologne, and I've made peace being alone. She's got